If you are new to TikTok Shop and are struggling to get free samples, this is exactly what you need to do. Now that more creators have entered the TikTok Shop, sellers are giving more free samples to those who have already sold on TikTok Shop. So what can you do if you have no sales? You can use the exact script that is inside the Hooks to Sales library. This library is full of scripts that you can use to collaborate with TikTok Shop sellers. There's also scripts for your TikTok Shop videos. That's how I started to get out of the 200 to 300 range and started to get a few sales here and there. There are scripts for going live with TikTok Shop and so much more. The library grows in value every week because the creator updates it weekly. I know it can be hard to make sales on TikTok Shop without products. If you want to start getting more free samples, check out the library in my Stan store. It's linked in my bio.